so we're currently looking for a new suitcase. Show them the fancy wheels one you just saw.
Oh.
As you know from yesterday's vlog, the wheel. What was weird about it all was that backpack, I'm so tired, guys. The suitcase, hold on, the suitcase had already one time when we flew to Los Angeles one time gotten pretty smacked around, like it kind of came back dented. One of the wheels was a bit wonky, but they all worked. Anyways, the wheel that snapped off was one of the wheels that was like perfectly fine. So we're like, really good. That's why we were like, this is savage, like how hard he smacked down. Anyways, people have obviously had this problem.
So I found this suitcase online where you can take off the wheel.
Yeah, which honestly is kind of genius.
So I guess when you check it in,
yeah, because they don't need
just take the wheels off.
Right.
That's a great idea.
I know.
That is a great idea. The
thing is, we're I said it before, from Venice, as you guys know, but obviously if you've been here before, it's a walking city, which is really cool. So it's not like you're gonna get like a massive.
How many roads are there, babe?
I don't know. What do you mean how many roads?
No, because do you remember you were taking the mick out down that road?
Oh yeah, Will. Before we came here, Will was like, Annabelle, this entire place is walking streets. There are no roads. There are no roads. And then the other thing he said was that there literally aren't any grocery stores, which.
No, I didn't say that.
I think Will was traumatized from the last time he went to Venice when he was like 18 and he had no money. It was very expensive. Yeah, in Venice, like, it's obviously a massive tourism too, so like we found like lots of little shops that reminded me of like basically in Los Angeles, babe, or like in Bournemouth, England, there was a place called the Bag Shop. It's like a bunch of purses, backpacks, suitcases, but like not necessarily sure if like how the quality will be, because they're gonna be like at least like probably like 60 euros. So you're like,
at least. Yeah,
so you're like, I want to buy something that's not gonna break really quickly, especially because our bags might get kind of smacked around this trip. So that's what we're trying to figure out. And we're trying.
Was it you buy it nice or you buy it twice?
Yeah. Which I thought the suitcase that broke was actually, it wasn't cheap. It was like 3 years ago. It was like $50. So inflation.
We had it for years, to be fair.
Yeah. Yeah, but we travel a lot, I guess. We do a lot of international flights where who knows what's happening to those bags, I think. I think even just LA to Los Angeles. So anyways, that's what we're trying to figure out, but it's like basically probably the worst city to try and find one, just because there's not like, there's not a ton of options. Second, Cappy. I call my cappuccino a Cappy. Honestly, so good. Alright, you guys, today is hair wash day. I haven't washed my hair for like four or 5 days. Crikey. It needs to be done, but it's nice because you can embrace, you know, your natural oil sometimes like I did yesterday, but now it's time to wash it. I just thought I would show you. I'm only using the shampoo and conditioner on the trip. They sent it to me day. I used their styling cream the other day. I've been really excited to try this. So this is their shampoo and conditioner. I've used it once so far, and I brought them with me, so I'm gonna wash my hair with this, and we'll continue to see how I like it as this trip goes on. But that's all I'm gonna do, and just wash my hair with that, potentially use, and I also brought the Olaplex No. 8 Bond Moisture Mask, so I might use that in the shower as well. That's pretty much all the shower products I brought. And then I'll just shave, wash my face, do all that, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit, but I thought I'd share what I'm using this trip because I had to really simplify my routine, kind of bring a lot, so that's the holy grails at the moment. Will's.
I'm finding my baggage claim with EasyJet.
Oh, the bag saga continues. All right, guys, I just finished getting ready. I filmed this hair tutorial actually for you guys in a separate video, so go check that one out if it's up already. I was using basically a flat iron to create this super voluminous hair look, which I'm obsessed with. So yeah, but now we are getting ready to walk into town. And where are we going, babe? He's currently brushing his teeth, probably can't tell me. Some sort of square. Yes. It's gonna be like 80 degrees today, so it's gonna be a warm one. This hair might immediately go up, to be honest, but I'll show you guys my little outfit. It's nothing crazy. I'm wearing Air Force Ones today, which I currently don't have on yet, but because we're gonna be doing lots of walking, so I'm just wearing these little like knitted shorts that I got from a thrift store. They're super cute. This tank top I actually also thrifted. my jewelry. This is from Primark with the earrings, and then this is thrifted as well. I get lots of questions about that. I'm a thrifting baddie. And then this is my vintage Louis Vuitton, which I actually got in Copenhagen. And yeah, we are gonna go. I'm just gonna throw my Air Forces on, and we'll check in with you guys soon. Okay, so we stopped for a little snack break. All right, so we got some chicken.
Oh.
Wait, you said it was chicken, right?
I'm not sure what it is.
Actually, yeah, I don't know why I said chicken. It might not be chicken. Oh, because the other girl said chicken. We got some olives, grapes, a little focaccia.
Brie?
Brie. We got some salt, well, because we want to gargle with hot water and salt later, just because we're trying to stay healthy.
Whenever we say salt, I think the little boy who loves corn. With how much we say.
It's corn!
Whenever we say salt.
It's salt, yeah. So we're just trying to stay healthy, and like we both, I think because we've done so much, and you're kind of like traveling when you're traveling around so many people, and we just moved, you know, you guys know if you've been watching. So we were like, let's get some salt because it's good for bacteria and stuff. And we're just trying to work with what we got. I was trying to get like some ginger turmeric like shot thing. Anyways, didn't find anything like that. I'm sure there's health stores around here. We just were in a normal grocery store, but I got this juice. I think it's like lemon, pepper, orange, carrot, something like that. All right, let's try this juice.
Yeah, somehow I think that'll be enough. I feel like I'm backing up trucks.
It definitely tastes interesting. Yeah, it tastes healthy. There's pepper in it, which I thought was interesting. Is that good for you? We're gonna have some snacks. This is the...
Oh, and show them my beer Moretti as well.
Oh yeah. Look how cool the beers look. Will loves the beer Moretti. Look at that. Love that.
Okay.
And yeah, this is our beautiful view. We're Jeff's gonna get some more drinks soon. I'm on the hunt for an Aperol Spritz after we eat. So we're just gonna eat.
We've been to St. Mark's Square. It was busy.
So busy in Venice.
It was good though, really great. It's quite
surprising tourism.
very warm.
Yeah.
We are currently in the gardens by St. Mark's Square, and there's a basilica in St. Mark's Square, and we've just seen like the water and things like that. I think we need an ice cream or a gelato. So I think we're gonna find one of those. Yeah, we'll keep you updated.
Okay, I made the massive mistake in picking a flavor before realizing there was an entire other section. But I got strawberry, but they had watermelon and passion fruit.
Wow.
Will got mint chip.
Yeah.
I know this will be good. I literally haven't tried it, but I was literally like, oh my gosh, didn't realize there was so many more flavors.
We only saw half of it. That's amazing.
Alright, we just literally downed that gelato so quickly.
Yeah, the gelato did not last long. We also saw this like blended cocktail smoothie bar.
Yeah. Like
opposite this great looking pizza place.
I think it's cocktail bar was like it's like most like all like real fruit juice and stuff. So they gave us like a little try of one of their drinks, and it literally just tasted so good. But I think we're gonna go back there.
Yeah, so I think we might. Yeah,
we walked past it a lot, so we're like know where it is and stuff.
So yeah, so we might go get pizza and then do that tonight.
But while we were walking, it was so funny. Well, not just me, but I recognized somebody, and I was like, no way. We bumped into my old like boss. Yeah, I guess she was my boss, my old boss at my old hair salon that I worked for in Newport Beach before we moved to England. She was with her husband and her kids. They've been traveling around like Greece and stuff. Anyways, literally randomly, we're walking like this like narrow way, so many people, and all of a sudden I was like, wait, think that's so-and-so in front of me. And I was like, I think it is. I just went and tapped her on the shoulder. Anyways, it was like so hilarious. I haven't seen her in like literally years, but we got to catch up,
So is anyone else in Venice? Anyone else in Venice?
But it's just like, the thing is like, yes, people can be in Venice, but there's so many people here. The odds of meeting somebody at that exact right time are just very small. So that was just funny. I was like, what the world? So that was nice. I mean, it's nice to see other people when you're just traveling to see too and get to talk to other people too, you know? So I think we're gonna go back to our hotel room and chill, and we'll catch up with you guys later. Okay, so it's a few hours later and we are going out for pizza and drinks.
Yeah, we are.
We found a little boat excursion thing we're doing tomorrow to see some of the islands. So yeah, we just been planning that. I will show you my outfit. I'm wearing this like Skims knockoff shapewear tank top, this little black skirt, my little loafers and white socks. These actually were the shoes that gave me my terrible wounds on my feet, but it's because I didn't wear socks like this with them. I wore these like ankle socks, and so a bunch of my skin was exposed. Anyways, I've been walking around in them. They feel fine.
How you feeling? Yeah, you feeling confident for your feet tonight?
Well, they've like healed, and I'm wearing socks, so I think it should be fine. And then I just got my Louis Vuitton purse, and then I'm bringing just this little. Oh, I'm bringing just this little cream blazer. In case
Cute.
So Will is. Gosh, the room is so messy.
I'll stand over here, shall I? Looking amazing as always. Ralph Lauren shirt. Yeah, that's for tomorrow. Ralph Lauren shirt, chino shorts, dunks.
Cute.
Bang.
Spicy guy. Spicy
Ready?
rice.
Spicy rice.
Okay.
No rice tonight, just pizza. I wonder if I can surprise you. Oh, thank you. You didn't even look. Annabelle appreciation time.
Montage, but...
Oh well. So look at how good Annabelle looks in her little black dress.
It's not very, I wouldn't say my outfit's particularly Italian, but you know.
Oh, it is. Absolutely.
Is it? Oh.
I think if it were bright red, it would be more Italian.
I know,
but
but
I think you look perfectly Italian.
Oh, thank you. Just walking. It's so good.
Yeah, you're enjoying it? And there we are.
He's gone back in for more.
It's proper margarita. Apparently you can tell a place by their margarita. Annabelle?
Yeah.
You know how your favourite pizza is a barbecue chicken pizza?
Yeah.
With barbecue sauce on the base?
Yeah.
In Italy, the home of pizza, what do we not see?
Barbecue chicken pizza.
How does that make you feel?
That it's an American rendition of Italian pizza. Which, I love that. Sometimes Americans just do it better. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Like pizza sauce erase. No, I'm just kidding. I do like barbecue chicken pizza, but I did notice that no one does barbecue chicken pizza here. I didn't think they would, but I was like, yeah, it doesn't scream Italy to me. Surprise, horizon. So this isn't particularly Italian per se, unless it is, and I'm just really off. It's not Aperol Spritz, but it is frozen mango daiquiri. It's mango, passion fruit, lime, and rum, and it's so good. I just had to try it. It's a good one.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, I'm not mad about that. I love it, like a frozen cocktail, like proper cold.
Anything alcoholic, really, isn't it, babe?
And when we were in Cancun, Mexico, we always would do this like, I do this like blend mango margarita, and it definitely reminds me of that. Will just patronizingly said to me, well done, as I drink one water bottle.
No, you've got much better thing, Josh. The power of the Yeti.
Water's been my #1 thing recently.
And do you know who
That's
has?
all I do. Drink water.
Who has an unlimited supply of water? This guy.
All right, you guys, we just got home. We're tired. We need to prepare for our little boat excursion we're having tomorrow and just get a little organized. So we're at home in our little hotel room. I have some red wine because we bought some red wine yesterday and we're just chilling out. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was a nice one, a chill one. We had a good day.
Great day.
We're gonna sleep great, and we will see you in our next vlog. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with all of the videos, as well as this vlog series during our European travels. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye. You wanna say bye?
Bye.